Hey guys, welcome back. Yep, this video today is a good budget alternative for getting some proportional controls out of your WPLs, your JJRCs, or your old MNs. I've installed the MN99 electronics into the C24. So yeah, there's well, if you've owned a fully proportional WPL and an MN99, you probably know that the MN99 electronics, they just seem to get a bit more draw current to the motor. Yeah, they just generally just give the motor more power, and you find you're not stalling as much. So my MN99 has currently got a 20 amp ESC combined with the All-Star AX6. So I had some spare MN electronics lying about, so I thought I'd install them into the C24. It was a simple enough process. I used the wires that actually came with MN. I didn't chop and change the wires, so all the wires that were already included with the MN99 electronics, I utilised those. And yeah, it fitted nicely underneath the electronics tray of the C24. All the connections are pretty, well, they are exactly the same. They use a little mini JST 2.0. So it was just a case of plugging in the motor wire into the board and linking up the servo as well into the MN board. And yeah, we've got MN electronics installed into the WPL. I'm going to pop a battery in to show you. So now I've got the battery installed and the MN electronics. What I've done with my MN board is I've removed the lights just to give the truck a bit more longevity. It uses less battery, so it's a nice little tip. I personally didn't like the way the MN lights come on every time you squeeze the trigger. So now we've got fully proportional steering, and we've also got proportional throttle. And yeah, ready to hit the trail. So I did say obviously that the MN99 ready to run electronics just seem to give the motor more juice. So I'm gonna take this out for a test on my next video, see how it handles the terrain. And yeah, it's a very good budget alternative to making your trucks fully proportional. Currently at the moment on Banggood, I've seen these for about $10. So it's the MN set. You get a transmitter, the board, and all the wires needed. So I've seen those for about $10. I'll leave the link in the description below. If you're looking to upgrade an older ready to run that doesn't have a servo, I'll also put a link in the description for a direct fit servo. It's not only WPLs you could use this upgrade for. You could swap out the electrics for your JJRCs, your Fayees, and yeah, cheap and cheerful. And yeah, we'll get it back on the trail, see how it does, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers for watching.